Hi folks, wanted to talk to everybody about cutting the larger, more tricky, difficult rotors that are more prone to giving everybody headaches like chattering issues. You want your rotors to come out like super clean looking. It starts with having a clean rotor where you're mounting it and the appropriate tooling for the job. You need stable tooling. There's two ways to address it. You can address it with mass, heavy tooling, and dampening, usually done with aluminum tooling. Aluminum tooling does a much better job dampening. It's a big plus. Also, having the right stuff to finish your stack off is a good idea. That makes a big difference too. Then there's the issues with your machine. The appropriate silencers is a must, of course. But one of the big problems is the cutter head not being stable enough. They have a spring-loaded deal down here normally that was fine for smaller stuff, but now that we're bigger, we need a tighter, more stable cutting head. So what I did was I removed the set screws that locked the guide bar in and locked the guide bar onto the cross-feed carriage. So it runs like this now. The guide bar is traveling with the carriage. That makes the cutter head so much more stable that it reduces the amount of chattering issues that you're going to have. Your cutter head needs more stability, just like your rotor needs to be more stable. This makes a huge difference. It's actually a pretty straightforward swap on an AMMCO. You just get a new guide bar. The new ones come longer, and you just set it up so that it travels with it. That gives us the stability we need all the way out. It's a big plus. Thanks for your time.